yellow is the payment. Okay.
Hi, Susanna.
Hi.
Hey, guess what?
We're back.
We are back.
What?
You know what's going to happen when I die?
I know what's going to happen when you die. They're going to turn you into a coral reef.
Exactly. A living reef, if you will.
A living coral
Yeah.
reef.
So, like right behind you? Well, they're not going to put me there. But typically they're going to go...
Hopefully you're not going to be in the bay.
No, just outside the bay.
Yeah, just outside the
So
bay.
like that
That's
boat
okay.
there, they take you out on a boat like that, and they go out to the Coronado Islands, and they mix you up in this the cement stuff, if you will. It kind of looks like a upside down wastebasket, but it's got holes in it. And once you get deployed, if you will, then a couple of days later, all these critters going, hey, new apartment building.
Yeah.
And so they got different size holes for different size critters. The small critters go in what holes?
The small ones.
Right, and the big critters would go in the...
Oh gosh, this is hard. Okay.
I know.
The big ones?
The big, exactly.
Oh gosh, thank you.
All right, not a problem. So, if you're interested, you might have Uncle Charlie. He's sitting up on the the thing, the mantle. You say, what are we going to do with him? This way, you have a living reef memorial.
I like the idea.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about it.
And it's biodegradable. It's not biodegradable, but it's good for the environment.
I'm all for it.
I know.
There's no reason to take up extra space.
So you want to go to thelivingroofmemorial.com and check them out. And remember, I know you have a smile on your face because you know they put the fun in
funeral.
Exactly.
Oh gosh.
But there again, not the reason
Bad.
we stopped by. If you've been out there, you'd say, this is fun. I can't wait. That's what you would say if you were out there.
I believe you. I believe you.
But there again, not the reason we come.